The next block on the home screen is for the refrigeration control. Note that you will only get sensible information from this block if the EMS panel is connected to case controllers for the refrigerated cases. The current temperature and status of the cases are reflected on this block. To view a more detailed status of the cases, press the F3 button. This will bring up the summary screen for all the cases. Additional information available on the screen include the temperature set point and alarm status. The two dots indicate that there are no active alarms for the circuit. Finally, highlighting a circuit and pressing enter will show the detailed status screen of the case. To go to the home screen, press the home button. Another block is also reserved for the controller time schedule application. Each HVAC unit has its own time schedule to control its occupancy state. This is set during the programming of the controller and is dependent to the store hours. An on output means that the air handler is in occupied mode and is using the occupied set points. Off means that the controller is in unoccupied mode and is maintaining higher set points for energy saving. Finally, the occupancy time schedule is where the store hours is set. This is the master schedule used by the controller. An on output indicates that the current time is within store hours. Next is the summary of sensor control applications. Sensor controls are used for simple monitoring of digital or analog inputs to control a digital output. These sensor controls are used by other applications to control other aspects of the store operation. One example is the lighting control override function. The controller gets its input from the alarm system, motion sensors, or from bypass switches to turn the lights on whenever necessary. The out column shows the current status of the application output. Lastly, the lighting application block shows the status of all lighting controls in the system. The 30 and 70% lights refer to the lights in the sales floor. The output column shows whether the lights are called to turn on or off. The lighting control applications depend on schedules for its occupancy operation, though some combine it with digital and analog signals like switches and light level sensors, and the combination result will dictate the light output. Reflected as well on the screen is whether the application is in bypass mode or not. This is usually activated by a level switch. If the bypass switch is on, the lights will turn on even outside their operating schedules. To see a detailed view of the lighting applications, press the F2 button. Highlight the lighting control you wish to check and press enter. From this screen, you can see that the application is using a schedule to operate. Press the home button to go back to the home screen.